Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Subway app. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and tap on the Subway application to open it up. And then you can proceed with signing into your account if you haven't done so already by tapping on the sign in button. Then you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. You can simply go ahead and log in, or in order to proceed with deleting your account directly, go ahead and tap on the Contact Us section at the bottom pane. Once you tap on Contact Us, you will be taken into an external page where you can simply tap on App and Website Support to proceed with your account deletion. You can also tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and you will receive the toll-free number that you can call on to contact Subway. You can simply go ahead and call on this number and tell the team that you want your account to be deleted. You can also navigate to the support page and simply fill out the form explaining your situation. Type in your first and your last name followed by your email address and type in your email once again to confirm it. Then enter your phone number and enter the restaurant ID number if it is applicable. You can also type in the date if it is applicable for your case and time if you know it. Then enter the further details about your situation in the provided box. You can simply type in that you want your account to be deleted and you want help regarding this. After typing this, simply tap on the checkbox and tap on the submit button, and this will send your email to Subway. Just wait for a few days and you will receive a response, which you can open and follow the instructions given within to proceed with deleting your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Subway application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.